Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Vstarcam. First, download the Ocam app to your smartphone or tablet. Next, plug in your Vstarcam camera using the power adapter it came with. Wait for the camera's indicator light to flash, which means it's ready for pairing. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for the best connection. This initial preparation is key for a smooth setup process. Now let's get your camera online. Open the Ocam app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Smart Camera and then select the Scan QR Code option. The app will guide you to scan the QR code on your camera. After scanning, enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password carefully. The camera will then attempt to connect, indicated by a solid blue light once successful. Once connected, you can customize your Vstarcam settings. Tap on the camera in the app to view the live feed. Here, you can adjust video quality, perhaps to 1080 pixels for crisp images. Set up motion detection alerts to receive notifications when activity is detected, maybe at a 75% sensitivity. You can also enable cloud storage or insert a micro SD card for continuous recording. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. If the camera fails to connect, try resetting it by holding the reset button for about 5 seconds until you hear a prompt. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong, ideally above 50% for stable performance. Regularly check for firmware updates within the app to keep your camera running smoothly and securely. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your new Vstarcam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.